Hello friends, I hope you're quite well, and today I have Ramzan Kareem Instagram templates. Here is post and here is story, two files in different format, and you see here in font links. First I drag to Photoshop. These files are PSD. Here is just text, and you see the graphics, and here is background. So first I know you can do easily how to change your email address. You see here the font, you can find it on web or open this, and you can find it easily with the link. So here is you write your any Wednesday 21st April. So you can write your own program, date, avatar, food, travi, and here is Arabic language. So you can write your own choice. Our own format design, Ramzan Kareem, and here is layers. You see layer. I think you can afterglow, red or green. Okay, your choice. And here is drop shadow, I think, color overlay, green, opacity is down, depend your choice, white, black, and the last is please. Wow, simply mean full editable files you can do easily, or you can change it. Here is background, and you can change background color. Amazing. And same is here, story, PSD. I hope this data is useful for you. Subscribe my channel. Take care. Allah Hafiz.